Hey everyone, get ready, because I'm about to take you inside the brand new Legoland Shanghai Resort, the world's biggest Legoland and China's very first. This place just opened its doors on July 5th, 2025, and let me tell you, it's absolutely massive. We're talking 318,000 square meters. That's about 79 acres. Over 10,000 workers and 300 teams from 15 different countries helped bring this brick-filled wonderland to life. So what makes this Legoland a must-see? First, you can't miss Dada, the world's largest Lego minifigure statue. It's a whopping 26 meters tall, perfect for those family photos. Then, hop on the Watertown Boat Tour, a world-first attraction where you cruise past a giant Lego version of a traditional Chinese water town and Shanghai's famous skyline. It's like traveling through time, brick by brick. There are 8 awesome themed zones, so whether you want to become a ninja in Ninjago Land, race your friends in the Lego Friends Water Race Challenge, or earn your first driver's license in Lego City's driving school, there's something for everyone. Little knights and princesses can go on dragon adventures in Castle Land, while the creative types will love building and exploring in Bricktopia. And you can refuel at places like Pigsy's Food Court or Brick's Family Restaurant before hitting up the Big Shop, Asia's largest Lego store. If you want to make it a full family getaway, the Legoland Hotel has themed rooms, pajama dance parties, and character meet and greets. So if your family loves Lego or just wants an unforgettable adventure, Legoland Shanghai Resort is calling your name.